Here it is. That bottom was put in on Amazon right here when I talk about that ascending diamond pop and how bottoms get, how they gap down, how they sold that down right there in that reversal. And we have this live in an earlier video with the Google trade. We went right through when we were making this knife hook bottom. And the minute that thing changed, that thing went from, and it was right there. I said we're at 0.60. And we came all the way off of there. That was minus 9.5, 9.514s equaled minus negative ratio, 3.56 ratio, which equals dollars. But why? Because I closed above half of this bar with the triple diamond, and whenever I came down to it, I had an immediate reversal, and that is the confirmation in a decision maker. Let it be knowing. Now I'm going to reverse. But let it be known that when I was here, I was at IR 13 coming higher off of the bottom. Then I started to ascend. And that's what I'm talking about. This is what I was talking about in pre-market. This is what I was talking about in pre-market. Great. Run that thing down as they did right to the teeny line, right to yesterday's. Right here, they diamonded it up, and this is about how to make a market in low volume action, and this is the way it goes. And not only that, in pre-market, I told people to get all over that apple on that trade and let that thing run up toward that 388.50. I think I had said that this morning in pre-market about where that upper end is. And we've got that burn up on that upper end, and I got that S&P burning at 1200. I've got 1 hour and 5 minute price action opening bell. Bottom up, bottom up. I just made new highs on Google. I just made new highs on Google. Right here. And I made intraday highs here. Let it be known. Amazon, it's all about my MMTs, being a market maker, understanding high frequency computing robots, understanding how they're programmed, understand what the math is, understanding how to get the entries, understanding the turns, understanding the ascending diamond pops, understand that directional price movement works both ways, understand how you rallied right on up and tested these half bars, slid that bid to support line right here. It's very strong, Amazon. But once again, it's 1 hour and 38 pennies on the opening bell. How you make a bottom and how you take that left elbow right down to that market maker action price line with the immediately bid pop ascending values are going that way. We can't deny what this says. We can't deny that we were at 0.60 ratio at the bottom. The minute that thing changed and started running north back this way, we broke out to the high reversal. Testing of all things up here, we get to the half bar at 219.54 and the high is 219.82. And the minute that we close below 219.54 and it hit that price action mathematically, you slid that right back here to that teeny. That's all that means. But that's at major resistance level at 219.54 on the half bar, and we will check in with you later. Amazon.com, how to make a market, how to make a bottom. Understand that when the ratios change, everything else goes. As we said, we enjoy making a market between the weighted buyer-seller high frequency machines that compute probability turns before the public ever gets a chance to get in these moves. But however, with the MMT right here involved, we know how to benchmark what they do and make successful entries at low end of markets where everyone has stopped out all the way down and we're buying down here. That's what a market maker is. It's quite different than what you probably know. And I've got a reversal in play, and my reversal right now stands that I came right here, tested the half bar, Nobody can deny me that it sold into the half bar, and I've got double diamond down here. I've got teeny support. Yes, it's strong, only for one reason, because you're above 75 and you're going to hold the price line right here. And this is not going towards 60, so you're going to hold it. But you're right here mathematically. One teeny is 37 cents, right to the penny, right to the top. And we have put in another 15-minute consolidation. And if this wants to burn back toward 95, you're going to go higher and break these highs. So we're staying elevated on the pullbacks. We can see where they shot that wick reversal right here to that teeny drop. So that was 2 teenies. Hey, bam, and right back up the same way. And what kind of does it is that high frequency volume computing machines are able to do this ahead of the human transaction in Wall Street. However, it's our pleasure and our gift to our MMTs, our apprenticeships, is to have a system that works. And when this goes lower, we go higher. And mathematically, you can see right here why we're going to take out that top. There's that 96. If this goes into positive 00, I'm going to continue to break higher. This is live. It's now at 7:41 a.m. We're 1 hour and 11 minutes into that price action. We're right back up at that high. Here we are. We're right in here. Okay, there's another double diamond, and we got to close above that teeny line here and now. However, if this doesn't get toward 100, we're not going to make it, and we're going to slide it. We're going to stay below it. Let's watch it. Here it is, 91. This has got to go into positive. It's going back toward 60. So we're going to weaken up there at the price. It does not lag, MMT. Look, 7, it just hit 9 a second ago. That's why you go, oh boy, 10, it's going the wrong way. No wonder. It can't get above that teeny line. There's that diamond high. Here's the middle of that. Now, once again, it's a 3, it's a 6, it's a 9, it's a 12, and it's a 15 bar. And we're very strong in here because of the elevation here. But this has got to go toward positive 00. It's at 5, and so that helps it above there. It's at 3. It's got to go to 00. It's got to go green. When it does, you'll break teeny highs. Let's look at it. There it is. 98. Oh my goodness. Look at that 3 bar. Another teeny up, and it's above the high of that. It's challenging that diamond high right here. Right now. But it has to stay on 100 for a while, and this has to go to 00 plus. It has to go down in value to break the highs.